In the ever-evolving landscape of manufacturing, staying competitive means embracing the future to ensure a continuous focus on optimizing efficiency, ensuring quality, and increasing throughput. Introducing Manufacturing Intelligence, enabled by SenseCon, our patented range of IoT devices made in India, unlocking your production's true potential. MI integrates seamlessly with CNC, milling, press machines, and more, offering complete visibility and quality control. With quick compatibility and traceability, our machine integration and tool tracking keep your tools and machines at peak performance. Cloud-based analytics optimize equipment use, enhance worker efficiency, and improve overall equipment effectiveness, OE, by monitoring availability, performance, and quality assurance in real time. Real-time tool history tracking maintains quality and meets IATF audit standards. Imagine precise tracking of ideal versus total cycle counts, uptime and downtime analyses, and meticulous quality assurance monitoring. Consistently maintain high standards and maximize productivity with MI. Our solution enables enterprises to adopt efficient and sustainable manufacturing practices. Elevate your operations today with BCI.